Good morning, sir. My name is G. Sandhya Rani. My roll number is 222H1A3055. I'm Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Full semester internship review 2. Academic year is 2022 and 2026. Next, my company name is iGenuine. These are mainly user course outcomes. Internship details are completed a full semester internship at iGenuine from June 2025 to January 13, 2026. The internship mainly focused on providing practical exposure to programming and development skills. Next, learning and skills gained knowledge in Java programming during the internship period. Learned front-end technology such as HTML and CSS. Developed understanding of data structures. Next, practice aptitude and reasoning to improve analytical skills. The diagrams are right side HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Next, they are mainly used technologies. They are Java, HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheets, JavaScript. Java is an object oriented programming language used to develop secure, scalable, and high performance applications, including web applications and backend systems. Next, HTML, hypertext markup language. They are used to design and structure web pages by defining elements such as handling paragraphs, images, and links. CSS. These style sheets used to style and design web pages by applying colors, layouts, fonts, and responsive design for better user experience. Next, JavaScript, a dynamic scripting language used to create interactive web pages, handle events, perform validations, and improve user interactions. Next, their Java concepts are covered. They are to gain strong knowledge of core Java concepts such as variables, data types, loops, and methods. To understand object oriented programming concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphisms, and encapsulation. Next, to develop simple and real time applications using Java programming to improve coding skills, logical thinking, and problem solving ability. Next, internship activities are developed user interface for ATM transaction system using HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Implemented backend logic for transactions such as deposit and withdraw using Java. Integrated frontend with the backend for smooth data flow. Connected applications with MySQL database for storing user and transaction details. They are performed testing and debugging also to ensure proper functionality of the system. Next, improved code quality and handle errors effectively. They are used Java variables also. Their variables are containers for storing data values. In Java, there are different types of variables. Examples are string, int, float, char, boolean. First, string stores text such as hello string values are surrounded by double quotes. String denoted are double quotes. Int are stores integers. That means example whole numbers without decimals such as 1 2 3 or minus 1 2 3. Third one, float. Float stores floating point numbers with decimals such as 19.99 or minus 19.99. Fourth one, char stores single characters such as example A or B. Char values are surrounded by single quotes. Boolean stores only two states. They are true or false. Next, HTML fundamentals. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is used to create and structure web pages. It is the basic building block of all websites. HTML defines content such as text, images, links, and forms. It is uses different uses to organize and display content properly. HTML work together with CSS for design and JavaScript for interactively. They are basic example of hello world in HTML language. This is our paragraph starting presentation or document type HTML. There are included head, title, and body. Mm, last also body HTML are ended. Uh, Next, CSS styling web pages. CSS is cascading style sheet. It is used to style and design web pages. It controls the layout, colors, fonts, and overall appearance. Helps in making web pages attractive and user friendly. Supports responsive design for different screen sizes are included. Works together with the HTML to enhance the visual presentation. Next, CSS uses three methods to apply styles to HTML. Inline styles, internal styles. Inline styles applies directly to a single HTML element using the style attributes. These are included syntax, prose, concepts. Hard to maintain. It is a hard to maintain, no reusability, Cutlass HTML. Pros are highest specificity overrides others. There are also titles are included. Syntax mainly user color, font, size. Titles are also included. Next, internal styles. Define CSS within style tags in the HTML. Heads are included affect the entire page. Good for single page styling, no external files needed. Constant limited to one page. Still mixes content and styles. These are included tags, heads also. Next, CSS properties and functions. CSS is used to apply styles such as colors and fonts and spacing and layouts to web pages. Supports different types of styling, inline, internal, and external CSS. It allows separation of content, HTML, and design style sheets for better maintainability. It provides features like flexbox and grid for responsive layouts. It is helps in creating consistent design across multiple web pages. These are CSS properties and functions. Next, working with JavaScript. JavaScript is used to add dynamic behavior to web pages, supports event handling such as clicks and input and form submission. Next, enables form validation to ensure correct user input. It is used to create animations and interactive elements. Can be used for both front-end and back-end development. Node.js works with HTML and CSS to build fully functional web applications. These are working with JavaScript. Next, JavaScript overview are is a high-level interpreted scripting language uh, that JavaScript created by Brendan Eich in 1995, powering 99% of websites for client-side behavior. It manipulates the DOM handle events, clicks, forms, and supports server-side via Node.js. JavaScript core characteristics are dynamic typing, object oriented, functional, single threaded. Dynamic typing variables adapt types at runtime Example, let x equal to 5 and x equal to text. It is in text included in double quotes. Next, object oriented and functional uses prototypes or classes. First class functions closes. Next, single threaded event loop handles asynchronous operations like promises and synchronize await. Next, key features. DOM manipulation. Document dot get element by id dot inner html equal to new text also included double quotes. Next, events button dot one click echo functions alert clicked. Next, data structures arrays objects ES6 additions like map or set. These are JavaScript overview functions. Core characteristics and key features are ended. Next, challenges faced. There are challenges faced in JavaScript, HTML, CSS are faced difficulty in understanding basic concept of HTML structures and tags in the beginning. Next, had challenges in designing layouts and aligned elements using CSS. Found it difficult to make web pages responsive for different screen sizes. Next, encountered issues while implementing interactively using JavaScript. Errors occurred while handling events and form validations in JavaScript, and faced challenges in understanding core concept of Java programming. These errors are occurred while handling events and form validations in JavaScript. Next, debugging errors and fixing logical issues in Java programming and was time consuming. Next, difficulty in integrating front-end HTML, CSS, JavaScript with back-end Java. These are challenges faced. Finally, conclusion are successfully completed the full semester internship with practical knowledge, gained a strong understanding of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Java programming, and developed technical coding and problem solving skills, understood real time application development and project workflow. They are improved confidence in building web based applications. The internship prepared me for future career opportunities in the IT industry. These are conclusion. Thank you.